meniscus is the curve seen at the top of the liquid in response to its container. It may be either concave or convex. This occurs when either the molecules of the liquid are more strongly attracted to the container than themselves, which is seen in a concave meniscus, or when the molecules of the liquid are more strongly attracted to themselves than container, which is seen in a convex meniscus. The way that you take the measurement of meniscus is you measure by the middle of the meniscus, or as in this one, you would measure at the bottom of the meniscus.
Priming all your instruments is important. So what you're going to do with your pipette is you're basically going to take it and you're going to prime it 3 times with water. That's just going to make sure that you don't have any kind of leftover chemicals from the last experiment, so nothing reacts with your solution. And then you're going to prime it 3 times with your solution until you can make sure that the solution isn't diluted or you're not going to get anything left over from the last solution because of your pipette. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm drawing up the volume in this 4 pipette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the volume. See if I can get it. And then I'm going to cap it up with my thumb and let it slowly drain down to about 2 milliliters. Alright, I've got 2 milliliters. Yep. Alright, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer it to a reaction vessel so I can determine the mass. Just a little bit. If I can get it out of there.
Wait, from here it's right. Okay, yeah. And we put it into yeah.
And then once we determine our mass, we can divide the mass by our volume, and then we can get our distance.
Using this graduated cylinder to draw up the volume of water to measure up to 4 milliliters, and I'm going to overdraw because of the pressure. And then once I let it drain out, let it drain down to 4 milliliters, or in this one the marking is 6. And then I take my reaction vessel, which is, here it is. My reaction vessel, and I add the 4 milliliters to the reaction vessel. Then, after that, I will take the mass of the reaction vessel with the 4 milliliters of water in it.
Okay, so the first 2 times weren't clear enough. We're going to measure again, and this time for 6 milliliters. So we draw the water up the pipette to well above 6 milliliters. Stop it just short.
I didn't do nothing.
And you stop it where the meniscus reaches at eye level, which is right here. Then you'll transfer it via pressure to the vessel. You want to get all the water out of there. Some may stop up at the bottom. We emptied it. Now that we have it in our container, we're going to transfer it over and get the mass.
Alright, and these are our final values that we found for the density of water.